Alright, Chase, tell me what you got there. What did you build?
This is a Hot Wheels jet airplane. So this is a big engine for it to go fast like a race car. So these are the wings.
Those are the wings?
Yep, to make it like flip over.
Oh, okay.
That's the tail. That's the whole body. This is body. That's the nose.
Oh.
That's the nose holding it, because it needs a big engine for it to go fast like a jet. So that's how it does. But we need pillars like that. So but I got some like that. But so it needs that to hold it like on. So they don't fall off. So that's the nose. That's the nose, but that's another nose holding it. So those are like pillar wings.
Oh, okay.
And that's where it stand up.
Oh.
And so this don't need stand up.
Oh. Okay.
So that's what it needs. Standing for it like that. So somebody who knows like going to like fly. So but it's a little heavy.
Oh.
So I gotta do it like that.
Wow. And you built this all by yourself?
Yeah.
That's very creative, Chase.
So I don't need a string because it might be messed up.
Oh.
I want to make it great because it's too heavy.
Oh.
It will make it go. It will hit like going down. It will look like it's going like down. Like going to crash.
Now, how much are these kind of airplanes that you built? How much are they?
This is?
How much do you think it is?
It's like $4,000.
I mean, but how much could you buy it for? How much are those?
Oh, I was good out of those.
I know, but I mean, if you were going to sell that, how much would you sell it for?
Like $5.
Oh, just like $5?
Yeah, because it's like big.
Oh yeah, that's cool. Well, I think you did a very good job with that airplane there.
Yep.
I'll shake your hand for good work. Good job, buddy. Appreciate you sharing that with me.